this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am here today to share my project for Craft the Vault collaboration that is being hosted by Jamie, who is Poetspice here on YouTube. This is a year-long collaboration where we will be coming on every third Friday of the month at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. Central Standard Time to share a project that we create using products in our stash that we have not used. So we are digging in the vault, you guys, and we are pulling out things that we haven't used within 6 months or longer, or just any product that we have not played with yet. So I hope you guys want to follow along. There are quite a few of participants for this collaboration. Make sure you check down below in the description box of this video to check out links to the YouTube channels for all of the participants for this collaboration. If you like what I share in this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you would like to become a part of my crafty YouTube family, you can subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram at Scrappassion01, and you can follow me over there as well. If you want to participate, all you have to do is just use the hashtag. I will leave it in the screen. Just post your video and pull out or dig in your vault and pull out some crafty goodness that you haven't played with yet. And use the hashtag so we can check out what you create. So let's get started and let me share what I put together. And this is what I digged out of my Valentine craft vault. This Be Mine unbranded die. It has a shadow piece and then it says Be Mine. And then I digged out this die set by Scrappytate. This is the Valentine chocolate heart box die. So this die set comes with several pieces. It has these accessory pieces. It comes with this die to put the heart box together. And this is the base die to put the heart box together. This is the inside of the box. And then this is the main die. Also, you can purchase this die separately of all of these hearts. And I have this die. Now, I did not use this die set, but you can purchase this separately as well. So let me share with you how my heart box turned out. And this is my heart box put together. You guys, it is so cute. And it is really, really a good size. So the paper I used was Prima Love Story. Paper is what I use. And then you can see the Be Mine right there. It is so cute. I love that die. This bow die came with this set. And then I used the different hearts to outline the box. I also used the scallop heart to cut the opening in the box because I wanted you to be able to see down inside of the box. So let me take the top off and you can see it in the inside. So it's a really, really good size here in the inside to put a lot of goodies. And here's the back of it with that beautiful paper. I also put together a little 4x4 card to go with it. Let me share with you how the little card turned out. Here's my little 4x4 card. I cut this heart out from the paper and popped it up on dimensionals. I was trying to mimic the little bow and the button, and I just added this little porcelain flower here in the center, and then just pulled out some embellishments from my stash. Has the word sweet on it. I haven't lined it in the inside yet, but I wanted to put together this cute little card to go with it to make it a cute little Valentine set. So I hope that has inspired you guys to get in your craft room and start Valentine crafting. Make sure you check out all the other ladies in this collaboration. I'm sure you will be inspired, and also you will have your list out to jot down some things you may want to add to your craft vault. Make sure you guys always create with love and passion.